Here, come up here.
Hello, train travelers. We're back to
Hello.
First one for the day. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Woo, it is cold out here because of the rain. Daddy just paid an $8 toll just to come see this train.
You got $20 to see this train. Yeah.
Here, you hold it. I'm gonna go check with your brother.
Put it up there too, so
Is he okay?
Yep, he's good. Yeah, baby.
What?
Stay-
Yeah.
I know. Look, you gotta stay in the picture. Buddy, stay over there so you're in the video. This is really long. It's got to be 100 cars. Look, you see how it's picking up speed? Because the whole train's over the bridge now. So now it's picking up speed. Oh yeah, it's going faster. Oh, there's the caboose. No DPUs.
It's okay.
High five. Good job.